my wheels.
Oh my god. It's supposed to be like this. Just need to go over this part. Oh!
Can you unload this?
Oh my goodness, that's ridiculous.
Solved it.
Uh-huh.
White solved.
Yes, I see.
Like, I turn it fast enough that I don't need a speed cube.
Uh-huh. You turn it so fast. Oh my goodness, it's so fast.
Yeah, that's what, now here's the one-handed version of solving the cube. And roll the wheel.
This is hilarious. Ah! 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 Ah!
Now you're juggling while solving.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Here's some new puzzles to solve.
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Ah! Ah!
Speed solving the cube.
Blindfold speed solving. That is
Yes.
actually kind of amazing.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I got sub 10. Now maybe Mega Mix. And even this puzzle. Really, all I could do for speed cubing is like give a pocket puzzle. Woo! Yeah! Oh, 3.1 seconds. Seems like I'm solving the Mega Mix. I feel like my favorite puzzle is the Mega Mix.
We already brought it over. It's right there. You're
There's the
you're so silly.
Mega Mix.
Oh my goodness.
Time to scramble it up. 3, 2, 1.
It's an Avengers Mega Mix.
Wow! 3.1 seconds.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye. And don't forget to go to the don't forget that Cubers hate when there's no competitions nearby.
Oh, don't be doing
That's
that.
He told
Some of their chess
that.
guys too.